Hi, let me demonstrate how to use chat completion feature with Green AI Assistant plugin. First of all, make sure that you put valid API credentials for AI provider, which supports chat completion feature. For example, OpenAI. When it's done, just go to AI Assistant menu on top admin bar and click Chat Completion. Select desired AI provider and complete simple form to adjust chat parameters. Then click Start Chat button. The process takes some time. When it's finished, you can review generated text and continue chatting. If necessary, copy text to clipboard. Also, you can find and continue the chat on log page. It contains all successful requests to AI providers. That's it. Bye-bye.